guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel and I hope you guys like what you see in this video. Please also don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Now in today's video, we are going to do a plan with me video. This was my last week's spread. We're going to copy this because I want to use the same spread this week. So I'm just using the lasso tool, turning handwriting off, keeping images on because I want to take the image of the background. And then we're going to flip to this week. And then I just held down and then clicked paste. So I'm just going to align this where I want it and then tap so that stays in place. Now this week I feel like I need a little bit more color. I feel like my other weeks here weren't too colorful at all. So I do want to add some more color, but first I will also copy all of this to do stuff. So I'm going to do my lasso tool again, but I'm going to turn on my handwriting and images off this time because I want to just copy this piece right here. I didn't do any of that this week, mainly because my hard drive hasn't come in yet. If you guys have been following me, you guys know that my hard drive decided it wanted to break on me and I had no access to any of my files. So I couldn't start working on any of my KK printable stuff, but I've been keeping a running list of inserts that you guys wanted to see and some stuff for the next digital planner that I will be making. So I just copied and pasted those two things back here. We're also going to do some errands and appointments. So I'm going to fill this in. I'm using like a dark blue and like a thin pen. So any appointments that I do have, I had an appointment today, which is Monday, but I had canceled it. So not even going to put that in. But let's see, today is the 22nd. So I do have movie night. So I'm going to write movie night here at 8 p.m. The 23rd, I'm going to my friend's house. The 24th, I'm chilling with my babe. These aren't like appointments, but these are things where I'm not going to be at home. So I'm just writing them down. 25th, I don't have anything. And then the 26th, I have tea time with my babe at 11 a.m. So that's all I have going on. I just wanted to write it in there in my errands and appointments. It's just like a nice way to like look back and like quickly see what I have going on this week. So here I'm also going to fill in the dates here. I think here I'm going to go back and actually put some color in for these because I feel like it's lacking a little bit of color. Okay, so I think I just want to like go in here and add some color. So I'm selecting the pink highlight tool and I think I just want to like highlight these flags, maybe this Monday also. I think that looks pretty cool. So let's do that for all of them, but I'm gonna do different colors. Pink, then we'll do some orange, yellow, and when I highlight something that I cross off that day, I'll try to do it in the color if I remember. Alright, it just needed a little bit of color. It's looking fairly rainbowy right now. Anyway, going back to this, I'm just going to start putting in some stuff here. So I know that I have movie night at 8 p.m. I'm actually going to go to my stickers. So to use the hyperlinks, you have to have this tool selected. It's up here, like on this side somewhere in GoodNotes 5. I'm using GoodNotes 4. But you need to have that tool selected. I still get messages all the time saying that their hyperlinks don't work. So I'm just pointing that out. That tool has to be selected for the hyperlinks to work. And I'm clicking on stickers. And I'm going to turn my images back on. And I'm going to select this movie night sticker. And I'm going to go back to my July. And I'm just going to paste it in here. So then I have movie night here, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, as soon as that's completed, I will highlight that in the pink color that I have going on for Monday. Then next I'm gonna create a checklist. So I'm gonna turn on this box, it's the third one here. It looks like a whole bunch of shapes, and that's just gonna allow me to create straight lines. So as I make my box here, it'll be straight. I'm going to turn my images off again and just only have handwriting so I could select that and just paste my checklist throughout. Okay, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it in all of my days here. I do know I have some more stickers in here, and I was looking for these YouTube stickers actually. So I'm going to turn my images on and I'm going to, oops, I just want this one, lasso this film sticker. Since we're on Monday, which is my pink day, I selected that pink one, and I'm also just going to paste him here. So I kind of want him right here, I was thinking. Okay, so then I'll erase these two boxes, and then I'm going to move this guy here because it's important for me today to film this video. That's the goal. So film, I'm just going to write digital PWM. So then on top of that, once I get my hard drive today, I wanted to upload video for Thursday. My hard drive also has some of my edited videos on there, so upload video Thursday, and that's going to be my die organization. By the time you guys see this video, that video is already uploaded, so I will have it linked down below. Then I know I need to edit vlog videos, which I started doing already, so I could technically cross this off. I edited like 3 already. Okay, I also wanted to post new giveaway. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I've been doing a lot of giveaways as I'm clearing out like some of my drawers and stuff. Post office today. And then the last thing was Etsy orders. So I'm going to erase these last 2. We're going to go back to my stickers. And I'm going to select Etsy orders. Actually, I'm going to do this one. Okay, and that one is just going to sit right here. I'm also just going to outline this a little bit because the black kind of gets lost with this a little bit. So I'm just going to outline it. There we go. Etsy order, so it kind of like sticks out a little bit more so you could see it. So I just did that with the white. I'm going to go back to my other color, and I'm just going to start filling out some stuff for Tuesday now. So I know I need to at least schedule a vlog for Wednesday, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, and then the priority for today though is to go, or Tuesday, is to go to my friend's house and just like keep her company and just hang out with her. So I'm actually going to open Procreate. It's just a lot smoother to write in Procreate than it is to write in GoodNotes. So I'm just going to turn on the black color, and I'm going to use the original calligraphy brush, and I'm just going to write my friend's name. Okay, so then I'm going to save this. So I'm going to go to Share, PNG, and it's exporting, and then Save Image, so it'll save it to my camera roll. Oops, just made a line. Then I'm going to go back to GoodNotes. I'm going to click on this plus icon. It's up here somewhere for GoodNotes 5. It normally shows like a little bit of your camera roll here, but in GoodNotes 4 you click the plus, then Image. I'm going to go to Photos, Camera Roll, and I have it here. That did not save as a PNG, guys. I forgot to turn the background off. Okay, so hold on. Let's do that again. Turn off the background. Now I'm going to save it as a PNG. Okay, go back to GoodNotes, do the same thing. Plus icon, image, photos. And now it's a PNG. You guys can see it doesn't have that white background. I'm just going to crop it, and you want to do this because when you go to move these kinds of stickers later, they're a lot easier to move when they're cropped and like contained. So I'm just putting this here. I don't know what time I'm going to my friend's house yet, so I'm just going to leave that like that. Alright, that looks nice. Then for Wednesday, going back to my blue, because I've been really liking writing in blue. This day I'm going to be at my babe's house and hanging out with him. We're both going to be working. So I'm going to write myself a to-do list, which is schedule vlogs. I want to do my thumbnail photos. I know we're probably also going to go to Hobby Lobby during like a lunch break or maybe after work is done. And then I'm also going to write in IEPs in case I don't get to it on Tuesday, hopefully on Wednesday, or at some point throughout this week. Sometimes like at the end of the week, if I don't finish everything on my to-do list from the other days, I will go back and do some other stuff that I could also cross out. On Thursday, I'm hoping to post another giveaway. So I'm going to write post new giveaway. I'm just really trying to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff. I want to finish cutting pieces for Christmas. It's going to be like a Christmas gift, so I'm just going to write for Xmas right now. I'm planning out Christmas already, and that might seem a little crazy, but I'm utilizing my summer to its fullest and trying to get like everything done that I know I'll have to do throughout the year, like crafting wise, or that I know I want to do throughout the year, but at least right now I have the time. So I thought I would just start getting it done. And I also filmed like a partial video on it so far. I haven't finished, but I filmed a video and I thought that would be useful. So whenever I finish the actual thing, I could also post the video, and I think that would be useful for you guys as well because it'll be like a Christmas gift idea as well. So then on Friday, I know I have tea time. So I think I'm actually going to also go back to Procreate and I'm going to write tea time. So I'm just going to erase this. Well, I'll just delete that layer. And we'll go back to my calligraphy brush, which I use the iPad lettering brush, original calligraphy brush. If I can find it, I will link it down below. But here I'm just going to write tea time. And I kind of want to make like a little teacup, so if I could get to do that, I will. Okay, so using like a regular little thing, how do I make a teacup? That does not look like a teacup. I'm not a good drawer, guys. Okay, maybe something like that, and then we'll make a little tea bag. Does that look like a little teacup? I don't know, guys. I know my lines aren't straight here, though. Okay, so I'm just moving him, and I'm just going to put him right there. Alright, I don't know, that doesn't really look like a teacup, but we're going to go with it. So I'm turning off my background again, saving this as a PNG to my camera roll. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click the plus icon, image, photos, and select my tea time thing. I'm also going to crop it, so like I said, you want to crop your stickers. Okay, and then I'm going to put that in for Friday. Okay, so there's my tea time right there. Anything else I need to get done? I'm not really sure like what that is, but I know it's my parents' wedding anniversary. Oh, actually, I probably should have included that in my events. So let's go back here. And I'm gonna put under the 26th, parents' wedding anniversary. Then I'm going to go back here for Saturday, and hopefully, I'm hoping to this weekend work on digital planner stuff. So somebody actually wanted a digital planner, a second edition, in rose gold. It comes in like the navy and silver and turquoise and gold, but somebody wanted it in the rose gold, like the first edition. So I was thinking of making that. Let me know if that's something you guys would like to see before I even start doing the third edition. So I'm just writing it in here, second edition rose gold. I wanted to start working on the second edition recipe book because there's only a first edition for that, and I got lots of ideas for the second one. And then I probably won't get to the third edition planner this weekend, but I will definitely get started on that next week. And then I also wanted to include any inserts when I have a couple of like minutes for that. So I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. It's looking pretty full. Lots of stuff going on. I cannot wait to like highlight everything as I cross it off my to-do list in the color for that day that I have decided I wanted to do. I think it's going to look so pretty and so colorful, and I'm just like so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!